Welcome back, everybody. Part 2 of the Mustang build and the engine detail. As you guys can see, I have it all masked off. Every time you are going to detail anything, you want to make sure that you mask off everything you do not want to get paint on. So that's what I did. I went ahead and put just a mask on everything just so I can sand everything down. I'm going to go ahead and remove this before I paint it and tape it all off one more time before I paint it. But as you guys can see, we got the engine painted up. And I do have a bunch of the stuff already powder coated or gonna get powder coated. I went ahead and blasted the intake as well. Here it is. Got all that nice and ready. I got the stuff ready to go and powder coat. So that's gonna be done today. Unfortunately, I did forget my DA at home, so I won't be able to start on the engine bay, but I at least wanna get the engine detailed. I don't wanna lose any momentum or any progress or any time, because I do want to finish this by Saturday. So the engine's done. Now we're going to go ahead and powder coat all the components, and then we're going to go ahead and start getting the engine ready for reassembly. I have everything ready to reassemble. I got to just get the big pieces powder coated first, and once we do that, I'll be able to put it all back together. So let's go ahead and start getting everything powder coated and back on the engine. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we got all the gaskets in to reseal everything. We got a few components done. Got the intake right over here, and I've got a few other things over here. I didn't powder coat the water pump or the balancer because they have rubber inserted in them, and that'll melt in the oven. So I went ahead and just painted it. But unfortunately, I didn't get enough time to finish everything up. I really wanted to put the engine back together today, so tomorrow I can just focus on sanding down the entire engine bay. But I ran out of time. It is what it is. This video is kind of short because all this stuff is really tedious. All this stuff just takes a long time, like sanding stuff down. And it gets kind of boring. So it's not very good content for YouTube, but I just want to keep you guys updated on everything I'm doing. So tomorrow we'll be going through getting everything stripped and painted. I might just get the engine together tomorrow and finish that because I want to just get everything done. But yeah, I'll bring you guys along. And hopefully you guys find this interesting. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you do so I keep putting out new content. I went to O'Reilly's and I had to put my mask on. It is what it is, 2021. Thanks so much for watching, like always. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Take care.
Yeah, see this guy?
Think that again. Just fuck around, move around.
It's toe time! Toe time!